Visiting somewhere I haven't been in a while since it was warm, and they've actually cleaned it up. So, a little, anyway. There's no almost left here. It's all gone. This is up the north part of the county, and I still have snow in my fucking yard. Driveway's still icy. It's melted here. Uh, Fucking mucky. God damn it. Looks like somebody's just been here. He's fresh. Probably that dude that just left. It's 54 degrees here. Uh, See, I'm wearing just a little sweater here. So nice. Be nice with the car. The sound of the cars. Let's go by the river. It looks greenish with my sunglasses on here. So pretty. Somewhere to show that. 54 degrees. January 19th, 2018. Look, there's the train tracks right there. Jump a train comes by. That would be kind of fun if you didn't fall off of it and die. Fuck. I always wanted to do that when I was a kid. Jump on the train and like go like Huckleberry Finn. You know the stories that he went down the river. Shit. But anyway, I would rather. Anyway. I'd rather fly, not. You know what I'm saying. Be able to fly, that would be awesome. Well, we can. You don't understand. Anyway. There's a little island right there. It's a little island. Maybe in the summertime I can come back here and like go over there. That'd be cool. There's a beaver dam on up the road. It was frozen. No wait, it's that way. It was frozen. Or is it this way? Wait. It's back there. Shit. But yeah. It's probably unthawed by now. Because it's so warm today. And anyway, I think it's about time to head. Let's see what fucking time it is. Why won't it do it? Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, yeah. Anyway, nice. And I hope I'm not blocking the microphone with my phone. That would like that. Anyway, really nice. Quiet. There's nobody here but me. So, and at that little park. I just seen it. Where'd it go? It's there. Seen the hawk down here when I was up. This is sometimes coming for my lunch break where I work at the road here. And we come one day and we're sitting there. See where my car is. We're sitting there at that little picnic area thingy and seen the hawk. And the tree, like right by the road there, it was huge. It was bigger than the one at my house. I was like, wow, that was so awesome. Nice thing to see on breaks. Look, there they are. Look. It's the little birds. Look. Oh, so awesome. Anyway, there, I have to go now, so listen to them sing. Not a care in the world. Beautiful. Check them out. Listen to that shit. Nice. Those are robins, I think. No, sparrows maybe. I can't tell. I got my glasses on. If anybody can tell that song, leave it in the comments. Or just by the look if you can see them. I don't know how good you can see them. They're so pretty. Look at that. Oh my God. See? Listen. I don't know. I don't think this tops the deer in the field this morning and the horses running after them. That was just freaking awesome. If my boy hadn't been with me, I would have missed it. So thank you, Andrew, for that. So anyway, he's always watching for that stuff for me when I'm filming. I had to ask him to film, and he's like, "No, you do it," because he was sleepy. Yeah. Look it, look it, look it, look it. That's a woodpecker. Look, check it out. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, look it, look it. Oh my God, it's so fucking cool. I hope you can see this. It's so cool. Ah, shit. You see, there it is. That's what it was, little woodpeckers, I believe. Some kind of. They look like it anyway, so I don't know. Still, they're pretty. Oh, wow. Anyway, I gotta go. So, y'all, enjoy the nature. Uh, well, if you can. If there's any nature where you live, what little there is, enjoy it. Uh, they don't have a care in the world. Oh yeah, that was a different bird, because them two's still there. Yeah, that was a little woodpecker. See? They're still there. Awesome. Listen to that song. So beautiful. And he's paying me no mind at all. Anyways, y'all take care. Much love, and I'll see you.